Okay, hello, good day again. Okay, we're here to simplify again statistics using Excel. Okay, so here we have a problem from the book. Okay, um, you can pause the video and start reading this one, and we'll tackle that later. But for now, I wanted to go straight on um, how to compute for the t-test. Okay, take note. This is t-test means this is less than 30 samples. Okay, compared to z-test, which is more than 30. Okay, so I have here the degrees of freedom in here. So we'll go straight ahead. Okay, so let's discuss this later, and then this one, and then this one. Okay, so we have here the null hypothesis. The mean is equals to 20. And the alternative hypothesis is mean is lesser than 20. Okay, I will discuss later the details. Okay, so mean here 20. Okay, and the alpha that we'll be using is 99%. So I guess I will use the alpha of zero point 0.5 or zero point 0.1. Later we'll discuss, but for now let's use the sample from the book. Okay, alpha zero point zero 0.01, and the samples is 10. Okay, so we have here samples. Okay, um, we have to arrange this data. Okay, so this is from the book. Okay, fix delimited. We use the space. Okay, there we have a data already. This is sample data. Okay, and to get the mean, okay, um, we standard. I mean average. Uh, okay, 17.48, and then the standard deviation. Okay, STD. And then we'll use that s because this is sample. Okay, so we have your data. Just have to link that here. Okay, also this one there. Okay, so our z is 2.61. By the way, this is predetermined already. The computations. Okay, I already have put that in there. It's the A19. A19 is this one. The sample mean minus the A16. A16 is this one over E20. E20 is this one standard deviation, and the square root of E18 is the sample size 10. Okay, this one. Okay, I hope that's clear. You can pause my video to check it out. Okay. Okay, so it's the Z. I mean the T. We will change this into T. This is the T value. Okay, this is not Z. This is T. Okay, there's a difference between Z and T. Okay, so the T value is negative 2.61. Okay, so we'll look for that as discussed in the past activity. We have here samples of 10, then 10 minus 1 degrees free freedom is 9. So we'll look in 9. Okay, so 9 will, and we will be using alpha of 0.01. So 0.01 here. And 9, the t value is 2.8, 2.821. 2.821. This is the table. Okay, so it's 2.821. Okay, and the p-value is around, it ranges, this value here 2.61, it ranges in uh point zero 10, the p-value, uh, no, 1, 2, 0.025. Okay, so that's the p-value. Okay, so what's the decision? Okay, so the p-value is around 0.01 to 0.25. Now, if we will be strict in 0.01, then we will a decision alpha of 0.01, we will accept the null hypothesis. Okay, we will say that the average mean is 20. Okay, okay. So there. So if we'll use 0.05 here, alpha at 0.05, the decision is what's the value for alpha? This one, 2.262. Just have to put it in here. 2.262. Okay, so since 2.26, since 2.61 is greater than 2.26, okay, 0.05 alpha. Okay, okay. So if we will use at alpha 0.05, then we will reject the null hypothesis. Okay, so since the book is using zero point zero 0.01, then we will accept. Okay, but if you use the alpha of 0.05, okay, then we will reject the null hypothesis depending on your alpha. Okay, but usually the most commonly used alpha is 0.05, right? Okay, okay, but to be very exact, okay, so some researchers use 0.01 when it comes to t value or t statistics. Okay, okay. So I guess I already have discussed all of the things I need to discuss here. Okay. Bye.